What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you my dirt bike. We're going to start it up for the first time in 2 months and I'm going to share my upcoming plans for this dirt bike. Stay tuned! Actually, before we go on, thanks everybody for watching my first video. It almost reached 700 views in 1 week and we got 10 subscribers. I'm very happy with this results and it really helps the channel to grow. So make sure to subscribe if you like the content. And now let's take a closer look at my KTM 250 two-stroke. So before we're going to try to start the dirt bike, we're going to drain the carburetor, because when the gasoline sits for a long time in the carburetor, it's going to be less volatile. The fuel evaporates and usually humid air can cause condense and water at the bottom of the carburetor. So obviously that is not good for the combustion of the gas and air mixture in the engine. So first we're going to drain the carburetor and put some new fuel in the gas tank, and then we're going to try to start it. So in order to do this, we just need a few tools, some original tools from KTM. We have a 6mm socket and the 17mm wrench, and then an oil can to catch the old fuel. We're just going to untighten these hose clamps, and then we can turn the carburetor, and then we can loosen up the carburetor plug. Just like that. And then we can put the 17mm wrench on there. Can be quite tight, but with a little hit you can usually just unscrew it. I hope we can catch all the old fuel. There it goes already. Quite empty already, so but now for sure we know that it's that all the filthy stuff is out of there. If there's a lot of dirt in this cap, it's best to just clean it and then put it back, but for now we're just going to put it back and let the new fuel run into it. Not very tight, it's tight enough. I'm going to turn around again and then tighten these hose clamps again. Also not too tight, just a little bit of force. And then you can check by rotating it, but you see it's not able to rotate, so that's good. So now we're going to let the new fuel run into the carburetor, and yeah, let's see if we can start it. That was a little joke. not really a joke, but I really forgot it. It's always good to be back on the bike. I can't wait to put in some laps on the track. But first we need to prepare the bike. So my plan is to make a mini series of preparing my KTM 250 for the 2020 season. This includes changing the total appearance of the bike, and I want to change a part to increase the performance of the bike. To change the appearance of the bike, I will apply new plastics and a new sticker set with a nice design. Also, I want some parts to be powder coated, such as the frame. So we're going to take the whole bike apart. I really like the design of the KTM 250 two-stroke that Ryan Sipes rode at the Red Bull Straight Rhythm. It had a 1995 KTM design. It was very white with very bright colors. So I'm thinking of using that as a reference and apply some personal touches to it. Because the bike has always been stock, I would like to improve the performance by changing, for example, the clutch, the suspension or the exhaust. So please let me know what upgrade helped you out the most in the past. I'm open for new ideas, so if you have any ideas or suggestions, please let me know in the comments or DM me via Instagram. The next video will be the first episode of the build, so I will take apart the whole bike to the frame and we will make a final decision on the design. That was all for this video. Comment down below what your thoughts are on the build. If you like the content, give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to stay up to date with the KTM 250. See you next time!